Welcome to my new channel. My name is Merari Bonova, and I live in Texas, United States. And I will be talking about Tomorrowland 2025. I want to start telling you about how to get a ticket for Tomorrowland. Okay, so Global Journey will be the easiest and the best way for you to get a ticket for Tomorrowland 2025. When you access to Tomorrowland website, you'll see that you can actually simulate different packages for the global journey. Besides the theme, they have announced that it will be July 18th to the 20th and the 25th to the 27th of next year. So that is 2 weekends. And with that being said, when you pre-register, you get to choose from week 1 and weekend 2. You can also leave it blank, not selecting any of those if you're not sure, but make sure you are registering, okay? Now, we're going to talk about the different type of tickets. 3 different type of tickets. Full Madness Pass, Full Madness Comfort Pass, which is like VIP, and then you get your day pass. Okay, so day pass will be definitely more for locals, I would say, but this year I did the normal Full Madness Pass and it was good. Okay, so the Global Journey packages. The Global Journey packages come in anything that you can think of, they have it, okay? What is the benefit? You don't have to worry about transportation. You don't have to worry about figuring out how you're going to get to the venue. And if you get to the venue in one of these transportations that Tomorrowland offers, it's going to be fun because, everyone that is there are also going to Tomorrowland. And so you're going to already feel the vibe and you're going to be able to meet people. So to me, global packages are the way to go. And so they have flight package, they have a train packages, they have a bus packages, they have hotel packages. Discover Europe. It sounds like a great experience. I think I will try to do that package at some point. Just because for what I was reading, it is between 13 to 19 days that are already planned for you. It includes accommodations, transportations, food. You get to meet people, and you go all around Europe, including Ibiza, Barcelona, Belgium, Amsterdam. Like you go to all these places and then at the end you go to Tomorrowland. Like I want to do that, but I do not have too many days of vacation. But what I did this year was the Discover Belgium packet. That's another option as well. Discover Belgium. It is that, just discovering Belgium. You go to, it is 7 days. Let's see. Yeah, 7 nights and 8 days. So you go all around Belgium to different cities, transportation, accommodation, your ticket for Tomorrowland, and beverages, some food. It's included as well. They have the friendship travel packages. That's if you have a big group. That's a great idea. One of my friends did the train package this year and he said he had a blast, and he came from Germany to Tomorrowland and he made friends. I met those new friends. It sounded amazing. So this year, we're trying to purchase, or actually next year, we're trying to do the train package from Amsterdam to Tomorrowland. So we'll see, but I'm like trying. I tried actually to get that one this year, but it kept getting sold out. So that's another thing. When you are buying your tickets and you're trying to get a package or a ticket accommodation, you're going to start seeing this on hold, or it's, sold out. But if you choose another option and then you're there and then you go back, sometimes you'll see the option that you wanted available again. And that's because a lot of people probably are changing their minds. They maybe don't want that package, and so they let it go, but it will show on hold while these package or this accommodation it's on somebody else's card. I was trying to purchase a train package. I was able to finally move forward all the way to the cart, and I was putting my card information and everything, and my bank flagged it. And I was trying to contact my bank. I was telling them, like, I have enough money, like, why you guys are not processing my purchase. But for some reason I wasn't able, and this was a Citibank credit card that I couldn't use. I really had to just pay my friend to get my package, which was the Discover Belgium, because unfortunately I couldn't get the train package. 5 tips to ensure that you can get a Tomorrowland ticket, okay? Number 1, prepare in advance. Make sure you are logged in, you are ready to go. Probably, I would say, I don't want to say hours, but if you're really committed to get a ticket, make sure you get up early before the pre-sale. You are ready in queue, just waiting to get your ticket, okay? Because like you, there are so many thousands of people out there that want to get a ticket, and they're waiting, and some of them wait for hours, okay? I personally, with everything going on that I already told you, with the card and that I couldn't get the package that I wanted, I was there for about 6 hours before I could get a package, okay? So, just to give you an idea, of course, you don't have to be there 6 hours. That's why I'm giving you these tips, okay? So be there, prepare in advance. Number 2, your account settings. Make sure you have everything up to date. Your name, your date of birth, your address, everything ready to go. Number 3, be quick, okay? Be quick, and I'm saying have already something, written down somewhere on a piece of paper, or your notepad, on your phone, somewhere where, and of course, purchase the tickets on a computer. That's something that I forgot to say, but it's easier than do it that way than do it on your phone, okay? So make sure you already know what you want, what package, and if that package is not available or that accommodation, you have a plan B or plan C even, okay? So you're quick, you know where to go, where to click, what to put in your cart, everything. So you're not thinking and getting frustrated and reading, you already know what you want, and just be ready. Number 4, enlist friends, okay? And this goes for friendship packages that you want to get, or anything that you're going to share with another person. So if you're going to get a cabana or a relax room, anything that you're going to share with another person, make sure you have all their details, full name, date of birth, address, all the necessary, phone number, of course, just everything. So you're not texting them while you're trying to get the ticket and trying to get this information. And number 5, global journey priority, okay? If you're traveling internationally, global journey is worth considering, and it gives you early access to ticket sales and includes added perks as well. So like I mentioned before, if maybe, you're trying to fly, but all the flight packages are almost sold out, well, then I don't know, try to go for the cycling package or the train package, something that, of course, you know that you're going to spend more money because you're going to need a flight anyway. But this is an unforgettable experience that you're going to have in life. And so make sure you are ready and your bank knows that you're going to spend that money. You have enough money on your bank. Remember, if you live in the US, remember that these transactions are made in euros. So you have to let your bank know that you're going to be using this internationally, and please do not flag it. So you are able to get a ticket or a global package, and I hope to see you there. We finally made it to the end of the video, and even though it was pretty long, I think it was very informative, and I tried to put all the information in just one sitting. So if you watched all the way here, thank you so much, and I hope this was very informative and helpful. And if you have any other questions, please just let me know on the comment box. And if you are excited to see what's coming up next, like I said, I will try my best to put more content out there. I really want to start doing this more as a full time and not just as a hobby. So subscribe and hit the button with the bell so you know when I am posting next. And with that being said, if you're my friend, thank you so much for watching. I love you. And you have a great night. Take care.